So this comes in from Anona, and it's the Holo Wi-Fi smart lock and keypad set. And here's why it's different from others. If you have a deadbolt already and you don't need to completely change it and have to get new keys, you have this backlock section, and we're just gonna be replacing that. So you install that with just this lock.
Did you text talk?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It has built-in Wi-Fi, so there's no need for a Wi-Fi bridge. You can unlock this from anywhere with the smartphone app. It has auto lock, so you can set a timer on here or at certain times, making sure that it automatically locks. And you get notifications when someone has opened the lock. You can even connect to your smart home like Siri or Alexa, and you can just say, Alexa, unlock the back door. It takes 4 AA batteries, which are included, and also will last a long time. 4 to 6 months in normal mode, or up to 8 months in low power mode. So that's very convenient, but it even gets more convenient than that. You can pair it with this wireless keypad. And I love that this is wireless because you can either mount it on the wall next to it or kind of anywhere you want, or you can hide it somewhere if you need to.